It's Thursday, November 7th, 2024. It's 8:23 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. WBUI, big move up suddenly out of the middle of nowhere. I thought sure it was going to halt. It went from about 39 cents up to 54 cents, the top of this wick. Watching for a pullback. I have an order ready for 400 shares if I decide to take a piece of this. I'll keep my eye on it and I'll return. Have an order in. Needs to pull back in order to get my order filled. Okay, I'm filled and in the trade. I'm in at 50 cents. Profit and loss down here. High of day is 54 cents. I have 400 shares on this order. I'll pause and return. And I'm out. Let's go take a look at it. All right, $9.76, almost a $10 bill, 3.9% gain on that trade. Turned into a little bit of a struggle. I was in this trade just a little over 10 minutes, in at 50 cents, out at 52.48. But another green day in the books. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's do it again tomorrow.